What happens when you practice yoga every day for a year? Join me on this transformative journey as I share the incredible changes, challenges, and insights that come with a dedicated daily yoga practice. Namaste friends, welcome back to Asana Yoga India. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our transformative content. We are diving into the profound effects of year-long daily yoga practice. In the first month, the biggest challenge is building the habit. Consistency is the key. You feel sore and tired, but stick with it. Here is what happens. Your body starts to adapt to the daily movement and you begin to notice improvement in flexibility and strength. Mentally, you might find yourself feeling more focused and less stressed. It's all about creating that daily rituals. For me, the first month was tough. I had to push through the soreness and fatigue. But once I established a routine, I started feeling more energized and centered. And that's what I will suggest you to. Create a routine for yourself and follow that no matter what. You get bored, stick to the routine. You don't feel like doing it, still do it. Don't give up. Do it for at least a couple of months. By the third month, your energy levels start to soar. Your morning yoga sessions can replace your morning coffee. You will notice a significant improvement in your flexibility and muscle tone. Your body feels more agile and strong. Plus, you might find yourself sleeping better and waking up refreshed. Personally, I was amazed at how much more flexible I had become. I remember being able to touch my toes without any discomfort for the first time, and it felt like a major victory. 6 months in, the emotional and mental benefit become more pronounced. Daily yoga and meditation helps regulate your emotions and bring mental clarity. It's like a reset button for your mind. You become more present and less reactive to stress. This is where the magic happens. Yoga starts to influence your daily life off the mat. I found my patience and ability to handle stress improved significantly. I was less reactive and more in control of my emotions, which positively impacted my relationships and work. By 9th month, yoga becomes more than just a physical practice. It becomes a spiritual journey. You start to explore a deeper aspects of yoga, like pranayama and meditation techniques. This opens up a whole new dimension of your practice, connecting you to a deeper sense of self and purpose. For me, this phase was transformative. I attended a yoga retreat that focused on pranayama and meditation, and it felt like I have unlocked a new level of self-awareness and peace. At the end of the year, you reflect on your incredible journey and transformation. You have transformed physically, mentally, and spiritually. Your body becomes stronger, more flexible, and healthier. Your mind is clearer and more focused. Emotionally, you feel more balanced and connected to your true self. This journey is just a beginning of a lifelong commitment to wellness and self-discovery. Reflecting on my own journey, I can't believe how far I have come. My practice has become an integral part of my life, and I am excited to continue exploring and growing. Tips for maintaining your daily yoga practice. Number 1. Set a consistent time. Practice at the same time every day to build a routine. For me, early morning works best. Starting my day with yoga, setting a positive tone. Number 2. Create a dedicated space. Have a quiet and clutter-free space for your practice. My living room corner became my yoga sanctuary, filled with plants and soft lighting. Number 3. Start with realistic goals. Begin with short sessions and gradually increase the duration. I started with 20-minute sessions and gradually worked my way up to an hour. It made the process less overwhelming. Number 4. Listen to your body. Modify poses and take rest days as needed. There were days when my body needed rest. I learned to honor that without guilt. Number 5. Stay inspired. Join a community. Attend workshops and keep learning. Connecting with the local yoga groups and attending workshops kept me motivated and inspired. Practicing yoga every day for a year is a transformative journey. Which part of this journey resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.